Here I have Oppo A1 and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility, switch to the vision and then to the Talkback. So here you can enable Talkback.
Talkback on.
After that, Talkback tutorial starts.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So as you could hear, Talkback is made primarily for people with blindness or some other vision problems which have difficulty seeing the screen, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text on the screen, the one where you tap it on it. So for example, I tap on close and it gets spoken out loud.
Button. Double tap to activate.
So as you could hear, in this mode, to operate, to perform any action, you have to firstly select it, then it gets spoken out loud, and then to confirm it you have to double tap anywhere on the screen, just like this.
Close tutorial.
Close.
Yeah.
Talkback. So for example, if you want to disable Talkback, you have to disable it here, or you can just hold down both volume keys, and after that
scroll. Hovering screenshot window. Screenshot. Talkback
and that's
off.
how you can disable Talkback. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.